While performing an online demonstration the other day, a client asked if KipwareM had a menu to perform multi-sided milling of shapes other than a hex. Of course, the hex shape is a standard feature. KipwareM can also mill square, rectangular, and round bosses using the conversational menus and non-standard shapes through the sketchpad. But his question got us wondering about easily programming the milling of pentagons, heptagons, octagons, and so on. We thought the answer would be to create a conversational, fill-in-the-blank menu that can quickly and easily create G-code milling for a figure with any number of sides, so we did. This video will illustrate the use of the newly released multi-sided milling menu, now as standard menu in KipwareM. The form allows the user to define a shape with any number of sides, by just entering the diameter of the circumscribed circle and the required number of sides. The user can also input the radius of the cutter along with all the machining parameters required to machine the shape to the desired depth. In this example we will create a tool path to machine a pentagon having a circumscribed circle with a diameter of 3 inches. We will use a 1-inch diameter end mill to rough the pentagon and it will take 0.100 depths of cut. As you can see, selecting climb milling or conventional milling as easy as checking the button. We can use the wizard to grab some speeds and feeds. After all the inputs are complete, selecting the Create Program button will generate the G-code desired. Plotting the tool path we can see the results. Now we will copy this roughing cycle and give it a finishing name. We can open it back up in the conversational menu and make some changes to make it into a finishing cycle. We will use a 500 diameter end mill for finishing, so we can make that change. We can grab some new finishing speeds and feeds from the wizard. We will select clockwise to climb mill this finishing cut. Selecting Create Program will rebuild the cycle with the new parameters. We now have converted that copied roughing cycle into a new finishing cycle. Plotting the tool path we can see the results. Now we can bring in a DXF model of the finished part. We can define our 1-inch and a 1/2-inch end mills, and plot both the roughing and finishing tool paths over the stock model. As you can see, creating the shape for the pentagon was super quick and easy, but we have more powerful features to explore. Let's change both roughing and finishing to a 9-sided figure. All we have to do is open up the 2 cycles and change the number of sides to 9. Let's plot the new results. And even better, let's rotate these 2 tool paths 15 degrees. Again, this is as simple as opening up the conversational menu and inputting a rotation angle of 15 degrees. Let's plot these new results. And what about cutter compensation? KipwareM makes that super easy as well. Simply click the button to select the direction and input the offset number where the cutter radius will be stored at the machine. KipwareM does all the work, including calculating the startup move, the cancel move, and outputs all the code in the correct location and format. At Kentech we are innovators and pioneers. This new menu illustrates not only the constant innovation being done on Kipware software, but also the level of real-world development being poured into Kipware to ensure that it continues to be the gold standard for PC-based conversational CNC CAM software. Kipware Conversational is a powerful and easy-to-use tool for anyone's CNC programming arsenal. Click the link in the description or on this page, or visit www.kentechinc.com to put Kipware Conversational to work for you.